Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shri. Welcome back. In today's video tutorial, we'll learn how to use a simulation driver manager to simulate IO's value and how to link data point with graphic element inside your WinCC OA project. This is the perfect for the testing your project without need a real PLC connection. In WinCC OA, every communication with PLC or device happen through a driver manager like S7 driver, Modbus, or OPC. But when we don't have the hardware available, we can use a simulation and driver manager is generate a virtual or fake IO values such as analog, digital counter signal that behave like a real process data. This is a super useful for training, testing graphic, or verify the alarms and trend. So in this tutorial video, like here you can see, we simulate some value and we are getting result here, like our pump is running. We'll develop a graphic in this tutorial video and we will simulate some values and we will see how our graphic is behave. Okay, so let's jump to the configuration part. So we'll open the project that we already created in our previous tutorial videos. So first you have to ensure while you are doing the simulation, this simulation driver must should run. Okay. So once the simulation driver is run, in the first step, like we'll create our graphics here in the our panel. So let's develop some graphic. Let us put the will change the color or I will increase the font size, bold it. I will just to see. To this font color, I will put it white. I will put place in the color of the head. Okay. Now, next step, I will import SVG graphic here. Go here in the picture, then industrial graphic library, and then first I will place a tank. I take this tank and place in middle. take a pipe. Okay. Now I will take a pump. I'll expand it. Drop this pump. Just reduce the height and now I will take the wall also. I'll take this and just reduce it. Then I will copy the paste of the pipe here. Perfect. Now I will just copy it, paste it here. Now now I will write the text here. For example, pump 1 below and similar manner I will just copy, paste it here. And pump 2. Now I will the tank on the top of tank. I will add mixer. So set it little bit reduce the mixer size. Some size. Okay. Our static graphic is ready now. I will save it. Now, the next step, I will link my data point with this graphics. So in the data point, if I will come here in the previous tutorial video, I already created this master data point, and after that we create these instance. So right now I will link this M001 instance with my motor. So let me create a circle on the top of motor. And now border, let me more value, and color should be green. Little- Okay. So now will also enable shadow. offset should be the one. So also should be one. Okay. Okay. Now I will link my data point with this. Once the value is true of my data point, then this green color circle should be visible, or its color will be changed. Otherwise, its color should not change. So come here in the initialize and then select this visit option, then color change. And here in this time, I want to change as border color. So I will select this. Value should be value dependent. Next. And from here, I will select my tag. That is a motor. Then M01. Then feedback. Then status. We already in detail motor template discuss. So select the run. Uncheck this system and click OK. Now here you can see if the value should be 0, then I want transparent, should not show any color. If the value should be true, in that case it should show the green. That's it. Next, here only I want to change the color. If you want to do any other functionality, you can configure it. Just click over the finish. Now after finish, then I will come here in the parameter option, and after that I will just go here in the my runtime. So here you can see whenever we just change the screen, our value is our graphic is perfectly updated here. Now I will simulate. So go here in the parameter motor M01, then feedback, status, and click over the run. And if I will put it now value 1 and apply, here you can see once my tag value is here true, then my graphic is changed. Once I will put it the false 0 value, now my graphic is the color is changed now according to my tag. So let's configure some the analog feedback also. So I want to display here some, for example, analog and the digital. For the digital commands, like we can here put one button, and first I will change the label of button. I will put start text, and after that, like the mouse press events, I will configure it. Just set and read. I will select it from here, and after that I will go here in the motor, and then commands, then modes. Here I will start. Tag is there and select it. And after that, here's two functionality. Either you want to set or reset or toggle. I will select the toggle and click over the finish. Similar manner, want to configure the any of the analog value. You want to display it here. So just create a select, drag and drop the text field, and after that click here, select the display value. From here, we will select our motor and then value and then the speed and click OK. And that's it. Click over the finish. And for example, Here I can also put the tech speed in the RPM. Okay, that's it. And I will save it. Now I will go into the runtime. Just change the screen. It will automatically update. So here I will open now my parameterization. So if I will go here in the command code and then select the start tag. Right now the value is false. If I click this button, here you can see the value is become true because I select the toggle function. Once again I will click, the value is become false now. Similar manner, if the analog value, select the speed, and if I will change any of the value here, for example, I will put 1 4, press enter. Here you can see the relevant value is updated here in my runtime. So Alhamdulillah, we'll learn in this tutorial video how we can configure a graphic in WinCC OA. We develop some graphic and then we link our previously created data point tag with the graphic, and we also learn once we change value in the data points, then accordingly and the value also reflect over the graphics. So thanks for watching this video.